So guys, today I'm discuss topic about that how to qualify by Google Ads certification and Google Analytics certification. So which website will be help to certified by the Google AdWords and Google Analytics certification. There is not only for one, two certification. There are multiple certification will be there. First of all, we check the certification options. Now, in this purpose, we have to use the URL will be called skillshop dot with google.com option. Just copy this URL. We can go to Google website. We have to certify by each and every exams to qualify by the Google Ads certification purpose. Now in this purpose, here there are a lot of examinations are there. In this Google Ads, one of the certification. The first percentage will be 80% marks will be compulsory. You have to qualify by each and every exams. Each will be 75 minutes will be time given, 90 minutes, 50 question, 49 question, 50 questions, 70 questions, 46 and 70 question, 12 questions. The lifetime period will be 1 year, 1.5 year means it will come into the particular time period. So any qualification will be they give by 1 year or 1.5 year, they give the lifetime period. Google My Business, you have to qualify purpose. No time limit will be there. Once you certify exam, you are qualified by the Google My Business. So if you're learning this concept, how we can qualify, what are the procedure, this all will be under comments to the skill workshop. Here every exam will be there in this ad display, ad video, shopping ads, Google ad apps and ad measurement. Coming to the build upon Google Ads experience, Google Ad search, and coming to the here and Google Analytics also. So how we can certify these exams? So what is the procedure? If already you have exam will be passed, the showing you will be rewards will be like this. So how we can pass this exam? This exam will be passing purpose. Some website will be help to your enroll for this exam to qualify by this certification. Pass percentage is a 80% important. In this purpose, this website will be help. clickminded.com, certificationanswers.com, schoolforseo.com and answerout.com. This website all will be help. I can show one website will be here how we can certify these exams. Here, just coming to this guide, we can check every option will be here in the particular websites. This all will be subscribed and you can learn by the every things option. So here we can go to option in this. Here every option will be here. We can where you can certify will be purpose. We can read the every question will be here. This is every question will be there in below option. We can go to this. You can read the every question will be here. And just coming to another website here. Most of the people using for certified this to answer website will be using to certify by the Google certification purpose using English here. Now here every certification will be there, benefit, study guide and answers. Here every option, go to this option will be here. So every option will be there where you can certify Google Ads. Here every option will be there, score 100% will be given here in this particular option. So every question they give the particular answer will given by the in the particular website. Here Google Ads, suppose you can read the measurement particular questions. Coming to this one, here every question will be there. Simple. First of all, open your question, read the particular answer. You have to read by one option. Which answer will be given? That is coming to the green symbol option. So if you want certify any exam, you have to follow this website compulsory to certify 100% Google certification. What are the certification will be there? You all will be certified this website. Total website will be given in this. In a particular option will be here. Complete 10 website. Here one more website will be going to this option. Just open it. So here sometimes here am I adding for another extra letter. Just open it in this. Sometime website will be gone to the late. No worry about that. They will open for here. Now here, let's do your exam. Here option will be here. So every exam will be, you can read the particular answer will be here to certify by the examination will be here. So if you want to read any kind of questions, they will be providing for here the particular format. Every answer will be there. Your particular will be in this particular option. So these all website will be help to learn Google Ads to certified purpose. We can go to this. I'll show you one example question also. You can understanding the things. So no worry about that. This I'm adding for here is a website. Don't think wrong here. Here in this every question you can ask. This particular option will be here in this disclaimer. In this every option will be here. We can read the particular options and certify by the your particular options are here. First I'm showing example. One option will be here. Yeah, I'm going to wait video advertising. I'm taking one question. Any one question. So copy this question. Is one of the question for Google AdWords examination for the video. Here, first school for SEO.com, where I can show this. This is one of the website. When open this website, they're showing for Google AdWords particular exam will be here. So here the answer true view in stream. You can check answer will be here. Which one? We can open this question. True view in stream. So same will be for both website will be here. So which one? School for SEO. We can go to another website here. Certified land. Here will be here. Certifiedland.com. So these all particular exams to qualify the in this Google certification purpose. Please careful to read each and every question to certify the Google certification program. This complete for to certify Google AdWords exam and your particular analytic purpose. Google AdWords, the exams will be here. Ad certification, build upon the Google Ad experience, Google Ad search, Google Ad display, Google Ads video, shopping ads, Google Ads measurement, Google Ads apps. Total will be given by the 8 exam. If you are qualified, they're showing for view award option. In the certification, they are showing 2 options. Google Ads video certification, learn the basic of Google Ads audience format and creative. Don't do the copy paste. Read the carefully that website and start your examination on a particular website. So any examination pattern you have to learn, they will be given by the in the below option. You have to read and write the certification. When coming to the knowledge check option, they started by the option will be here. In this option will be given the particular option. Just here will be start exam. When you fail, take for retake. So when I'm failed by April 1st, so I can take for the exam will be here. When explain time, I'm clicking for exam pattern. So automatically I'm failed by this pattern will be here. So 50 question, 75 minutes. This complete information I'm give to the my website, rakeshtechsolution.com into the blogs option. Go to blogs and read the complete information about the exams. Here, every question will be there. We can ask will be particular this 10 website will be help to certified 100% Google certification for every exam. Careful to practice and qualify the Google AdWords certification and Google Analytics certification. This website will be help how we can help in the particular examination, how to write question answer, everything you can read in this particular website. In this very important certification answers.com. This website will be more helpful for each and every exam in the homepage option. Every exam will be there. Open it and read the every questions and write exam for Google certification purpose. So this will be help to certified by the Google certification program. Here in this my blog for the particular pages or third or fourth pages, I'm adding for some more questions, which is random asking for Google certification purpose. I'm writing this question will be in the particular page. So based on blog, the page number will be changed. Now will be page number will be particular 5th page, not there. It will showing for the 6th page option. This we can read This is a lot of time asking this question on the Google certification purpose. Read and qualify Google certification, 9 website. Coming to my blog, the page number will be 6. We have to follow and qualify the Google certification program. Don't do the copy and paste. Don't write exam. Qualify these questions. You can qualify 100% successfully pass for Google certification program.